The story I want to share is about Bailey, the extraordinary burping fish. Bailey is a greedy tropical fish who does the biggest burps in Australia. One day he ate thousands of shrimp under the biggest burp in living history, causing him to become trapped in a bubble. Before he could say,
Climbing koalas.
he was floating up high over the ocean. Suddenly, the bubble burst. He landed in a freezing English pond. It wasn't like home. Thankfully, he met a friendly goldfish called Harry. Harry knew exactly what to do to help Bailey get home. When his owner came with the fish food, Harry leapt out of the pond, butted the fish food, and Bailey gobbled all of the food. And Bailey was floating off on another adventure.